Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use Lonsdor K518 Pro to program 2014 BMW X4 Smart Key. Now we will use K518 Pro OBD communication cable, the original car key and a new smart key.
Now, plug in OBD communication cable. Select Demo and Remote. BMW. Select from type. Select CAS4 Plus. Select Method 2 OBD. The first step is to read key data. The function will read CAS and key data, and check whether the current vehicle requires pre-processing. Click OK. Turn on the ignition switch. OK. It is prompted that the current vehicle does not need to be pre-processed. Click OK. Step 2, we choose the backup and restore code. Select Backup Encoding. OK. The ignition switch is on. Click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. Backup successful. Choose to return. In the third step, we choose to making dealer key. This function will generate a new key into a dealer key. Click OK. Turn on the ignition switch and hazard warning lights. OK, we choose the blank key position number 4. Select Demo Coil Generation. Select Have Original Car Key. Click OK. Place a working key near the induction coil of the car. Then click OK. OK. Hold the new key close to the car induction coil. Writing new key. Do not move. Generate the dealer key and lock the key successfully. OK. After pre-processing or adding keys is completed, please try to start the vehicle first. If it cannot be started normally, please check according to the following methods. We can see the ID of key position 4 has been displayed. Return. Let's try it. Can the key drive normally? New key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key started successfully.
Add a new smart key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead. See you next time.